Hi, I'm Mr. V. Welcome to Story Club. When I was younger, I really only liked tomatoes and sauces like ketchup or spaghetti sauce. But as I grew older, I started liking tomatoes more and more. In fact, now they're a staple in my vegetable garden. Tomorrow, I'm going to be planting tomatoes in my garden. And that's why I chose today's story, all about tomatoes. If you have your own copy, go ahead and grab it now so you can read along with us. All About Tomatoes by LaConti. The truth about tomatoes. Tomatoes taste great. They are good for you, too. Tomatoes are packed full of vitamins to help keep you healthy. Not all tomatoes are red. They can also be pink, yellow, black, orange, green, or white. Some tomatoes have two colors. All tomatoes are green before they are ripe. When the tomato turns its true color, it is ready to be eaten. Early tomatoes. The tomato was first grown in the Americas. The Aztecs and Incas grew tomatoes more than 1,000 years ago. The Aztecs called them tamatl, which means plump fruit. Explorers took tomatoes back to Europe about 500 years ago. Some people there liked them very much. Others thought they would make them sick. For hundreds of years, many people wouldn't eat tomatoes. The first tomatoes taken to Europe were yellow. Those tomatoes were called love apples or golden apples. Growing tomatoes. Tomatoes are fruits, not vegetables. They grow from seeds. Tomatoes also have seeds in them. The seeds have a gel around them. Tomatoes are easy to grow if there is enough water and sunlight. Tomatoes need warmth. Don't plant tomatoes if the weather is cold and snowy. Good tomatoes need good soil. You can grow tomatoes in pots or in the ground. If the pot is big enough, you can leave your tomato plant in it. If it is not big enough, you will need to transplant the seedling into the ground. As the seedling grows taller, it grows more leaves and looks like a bush. People usually tie the slightly prickly stem to a stake. The plant climbs up the stake as it grows. Next, the plant grows flowers. This is the blooming stage. After that, the flowers turn into fruit. You will have to wait about 6 weeks before you have ripe fruit. Now the tomatoes are fully grown. Their size depends on the kind of tomatoes they are. Some tomatoes are very large. One can weigh as much as 2 pounds. That is about the same weight as 4 potatoes. You would have to use your muscles to take a bag of these tomatoes home from the store. Some tomatoes are small and round. They are called cherry tomatoes. Things to make with tomatoes. Once tomatoes are picked, you can eat them raw. Wash them right away. Cut them up for salads, sauces, and sandwiches. Tomatoes can also be cooked many different ways. They can be grilled, fried, baked, or boiled. Have you ever tasted fried green tomatoes? They are a special dish in some places. And what about ketchup? That is made from tomatoes with sugar and spices. Tomatoes don't have a scent, but the foods they help make around the world are very tasty. Many Indian curries use tomatoes. They give chicken curry a flavorful punch. Italian dishes such as spaghetti sauce and pizza use a lot of tomatoes. Raw tomatoes are used in a Mexican salsa. A salsa is a fresh sauce. Now you know all about tasty tomatoes. They are loved around the world. The next time you eat a tomato, you can share everything you know about this fabulous fruit. I can't wait till my tomatoes are ripe. I'm going to try them on the grill. That sounds good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to click the red subscribe button down below. Until next time, keep reading.